Welcome to our video on freelance writing, a journey into the world of creative independence, where your words can take you places. 1. Getting started. The first step to becoming a freelance writer is to identify your niche. What topics or industries are you passionate about? Take the time to explore your interests and expertise. Whether it's technology, travel, health, or lifestyle, finding your niche will set the foundation for your freelance writing career. 2. Building your portfolio. Clients want to see what you're capable of. Create a stunning portfolio showcasing your best work. Include a variety of samples that highlight your versatility and skill. This is your chance to make a memorable first impression. 3. Finding clients. Now that you have your portfolio ready, it's time to find clients. Explore online platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Craft a compelling profile, set your rates competitively, and start applying for gigs. Building relationships with clients is key to a successful freelance career. 4. Managing your time. Freelance writing offers flexibility, but it requires discipline. Develop a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Balancing multiple projects and deadlines can be challenging. Use tools like calendars and project management apps to stay organized and meet your clients' expectations. 5. Growing your business. As you gain experience, consider expanding your services. Offer additional skills like editing, social media management, or content strategy. Continuously invest in your professional development to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of freelance writing. Thanks for joining us on this freelance writing adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips. Share the love with fellow wordsmiths, and until next time, happy writing.